Hello guys, it's Gospel once again, and in this video we are going to be learning all about Microsoft Excel. Now, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet package that is used for analysis, data entry, data management, counting, and also you can use Microsoft Excel for programming and financial modeling. There are many uses of Microsoft Excel, and it's a spreadsheet package created by the company called Microsoft. And so in this tutorial, we're going to be learning all about Microsoft Excel, and we're going to be learning how to set it up. And so on your desktop, on your laptop, when you go to the start menu, click on the start icon, and then you hit your all apps button, and then you search for the Microsoft Office. And here you can see I have my Microsoft Office, and then you can see Excel spreadsheet. Then you click on it, and then we wait for the Microsoft Excel to load. And now, as you can see here, this is the interface of our Microsoft Excel. So we are going to be starting with a blank workbook, and so we click on it, and you can see that this is the interface of the Microsoft Excel. You can see that the top bar is called the ribbon, while this area is called the cell. So what is a cell? A cell is a unit, and a cell can contain different data types. It can contain numbers, it can contain words, it can contain formulas, it can contain the result of a package. And in Microsoft Excel, the spreadsheet is divided into rows and columns. And so this is a row. As you can see, this is a row starting from A1 down to J1. And as you can see here, it is written A1. And now also in Excel, we have what we call columns. Now, columns are the vertical lines. And for example, let's say we start from column A1 down. And you can see this is the column of A. And you can see when we highlight it here, it is showing us that this is the column, and also this is column B, and this is column C, and this is column D, and this is column E. And you can edit your columns and give them whatever form of design you feel like. And so these are columns in Microsoft Excel. And so we're going to be filling some data in this. Now, to fill the data, all you have to do is just click a cell. So for example, I want to input the data in A1. I have to double click the cell and then type in the data. For example, I can say name. And then when you hit the tab button, it moves to the next cell. It moves to the next column. So in this case, I can put age. Here I can put a country. And here I can input the occupation. And so, as you can see in the column D, that is on row D1, you can see that the occupation is not containing the words in it, and the column is too small. So what you do is you carry your cursor and then bring it on the line, and then when your cursor becomes like the plus symbol, you click on it and drag to adjust. When you carry your cursor, you take it to the top of the names of each column, and then you click on it and drag to expand. As you can see, this cell has been enlarged. And so I can also style this column, give it a color. So for example, I can give this any color I choose to. I may give this a different color, give this column another color, and give this column another color. So we can also trace a column using the number of the column. So for example, I want to enter a cell with the number K5. So all I have to do is just come to this top hand side and then I tap in K5 and hit enter, and you can see that it has taken me down to the cell which is on column K and row 5 on the 5th row. And so you can also edit the content of each cell. So for example, in the name area I can say John Doe. In the age I can put 35, and then in the country I can put United States. As you can see, the text in C2, it enters into another column. So what we do is carry the mouse cursor to the top and then click and drag. And you can see now that it has contained the text in cell C2. And the occupation, I can put it as an engineer. And so this is an example of a spreadsheet, and this is our spreadsheet that contains the data of a person named John Doe, which is age 35,